Okay, hey guys, it's Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. So in this Vlogmas, I decided to take advantage of staying here at the Rock Hotel and using this area to do a skincare routine. Plus, I want to film and take pictures and video the whole entire night while Anna is enjoying her party and she left me up here. So, I'm going to be doing a skincare routine. So I really don't use that many skincare products because I do believe if something works for you, then stick to it. Because then when you change things up, then your skin starts acting funny, and my skin is always acting funny. But for the past 3 months, I've been using the same skincare products, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've been using and why I have been using them. And how my skin is looking like right now, and then in a couple months I will do an update for you guys so you can see how my skin is looking later on down the line, so you guys can tell that I'm not lying to y'all, because I mean my skin goes up and down just like my life, okay? Just like my bills, just like my gas. All right, so let's get started. Alright, so you guys always see me put all this makeup on, but y'all never see me take all this makeup off. So today, that's what you guys are going to be seeing. So the first thing that I do when I am doing my nighttime skincare routine is I grab some makeup wipes or some facial cleanser wipes or baby wipes or Neutrogena wipes. Honestly, whatever you can afford, because Neutrogena wipes are like almost $5, and at this point, ain't nobody buying that shit. Okay, so these makeup wipes I have, they are the Olivia Grace cleansing wipes. So literally, I get these from Burlington Co. Factory. I didn't buy these. These are actually for my sister Ann. I stole them from her. I didn't steal them, I borrowed them. I will give it back when it's done. Duh. I'm just gonna open the package. And I usually use 1 to 2 wipes, okay? So here's the first wipe, and I typically just start rubbing that on my face, just like that. I totally forgot that I had lashes on. So I'm going to remove the lashes. Bro, I literally just wiped my eyebrows off. Alright, so I'm gonna do all that. And now, look, the power of makeup. This is one side of my face. The power of makeup. Okay, so I'm going to use that same facial wipe, and I'm going to take the other side of my makeup off. Okay, so this is one makeup wipe. This has all of the makeup on there. So don't think that all of the makeup is already done. Like, a lot of mistakes people make is a lot of people just take makeup wipes and they just remove their makeup and they're like, oh, done, my skin is clean. No. I typically like to go in with a second makeup wipe, just like that, and then I just go around the face one more time, my whole entire face. See, there are still some makeup. There's still makeup on my face, so one is not enough. So, and I have a lot of discoloration. I don't know if you guys can see, but like I have a lot of discoloration that is just crazy, which is why I like to keep the skincare routine that I have, because it really helps with everything that I have going on. Now that I look like my natural alien self again, now that I look inhumane again, now that I look dead again, this is the real me. Like literally, do you see how dull my skin looks? Like I'm starting to get bags underneath of my eyes. I'm not understanding what to do. I don't know what to do about that. I put ice under my eyes sometimes. I'm just exhausted. I've come to realize I'm just exhausted, and with school, work, internship, I just need a vacation, and these bags are gonna be there until I can actually get a full 8 hours of sleep one day, which has not happened since a long time, but that's okay. That's not what this video is about. Next step, I like to take my Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment. So I really like this product because this product, you put it on your face and the color is purple, so it's already fun, like a fun color. But what I really like about this is it's on your face, right? It's like a little mask, and then it turns into bubbles. Bubbles from Powerpuff Girls. So after I do all that makeup, I want my pores to be refined. Alright, bitches? Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to apply some on my face. Just like that. I add a lot. You see, as you are working that into your skin, it turns like a light bluish, still purple, almost white color, and then it's gonna turn into bubbles. I like to put that all over my face though. And I like to apply that onto my eyebrows as well, because remember, we do add product to our brows, so you can't not pay attention to your brows. So now we wait for a full 60 seconds. We wait a minute for all of the bubbles to just bubble up. And I can feel and hear the bubbles forming on my face. I don't know if you guys can see, but I think I look cute, right? You can't tell me nothing. I'm so tired. So now I like to use warm water when I wash my face. So I'm gonna get this to a warm temperature that I like. And I'm gonna rinse my face. Alright, so once I'm done rinsing that Glam Glow Insta Mud face mask, I like to take my CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, and I like to add at least a solid 2 pumps is good enough for my whole entire face. I rub it together and apply that onto my face. Alright, so now I'm just gonna tap my face with this towel right here from the hotel. Okay, so typically this is the hardest part, deciding which lotion I want to use for the night. So Honestly, since I have so much discoloration to my skin, I had way more dark spots over here in this corner. And actually over here used to look more like over here. But for some reason, as I'm applying the Pond Clarent B3 Dark Spot Corrector Cream, this side has been doing so much better than this side, but I add the same amount of product every night and every morning. So it's confusing why one side of my face is doing so much better than the other side. It's weird, but it is what it is, and I'm going to continue doing the skincare routine. Until my face is even all throughout. Last step is to take your favorite lotion that works well with your skin tone and to apply it on so your face has a nice moisture at night and you're nicely moisturized for the night. And because honestly, you don't want your face to be dry. I add a lot, guys. I want to get rid of this discoloration by summer. Like, no lie, I add a whole bunch. And honestly, I feel like this lotion, you need a whole bunch too. So everything can be one color. So I'm still suffering from scarrings from my breakouts, but I'm still trying to continue on and work with everything. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for my next Vlogmas. Bye guys! These are my skincare products. I don't ever change them. So I have two face lotions, guys. I have been using this one for the past 3 weeks because this is a dark spot corrector and I've been using it a lot on my face because I have a lot of dark spots. I have a lot of acne scars and pimple scars. This lotion has been helping a lot with removing a lot of those dark spots. Now, this lotion I use when it's like really cold outside because this will really get your skin like moist, like seriously. All right, so this is behind the scenes. Here are my skincare products, the sink, the mirror, and the other camera in the back. Let's get started.